Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today I'm continuing my mystery makeup mashup series where I take two randomly selected inspiration photos from my makeup Pinterest board and combine them to make a unique makeup look. So here I'm scrolling for today's inspiration photos. And our first photo is this sort of swirl skull makeup, which is really exciting. I think this is a great look. And then I'm super excited for the second look. I've been wanting to do a Starry Night themed look, and I think both of these together will be an interesting combination. To start this look, I'm using Mayron face paint, and I took the light blue and started to sketch out the skeleton-like shape, trying to stick as close as possible to the inspiration photo. And to combine both looks together, I'm using the shape and look of the skeleton and the colors and the painted look of the Starry Night inspiration photo. Once I had sort of the base for the skeleton shape, I started to add more lines, trying to create a kind of swirl-like painted look. Here I begin to add the skeleton-like mouth, but I end up changing this later. Next, using the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette, I'm going in with the light sparkly blue and putting this all over the lids. Then with a darker blue, I'm darkening the outer and inner corners. I'm using an orange face paint to create little dots like we see in the skull inspiration photo, and I'm using this to create stars. Then using the Garden of Juvia palette, I'm using this sort of mustard yellow, and I'm going around the outside of the stars we created to kind of create a glow to them. Here I'm continuing onto the neck, and I actually wish that I went ahead and did the shoulders and the sort of bones in the shoulders as well. I think this would have been an interesting look to do that too. But for this look, we stopped at the neck. Here I'm splattering on some blue face paint with a toothbrush, like we see done in the inspiration photo. Here I removed the mouth. I really wasn't liking how it was looking, so here I'm going and blending out some blue around the outside of the lips, and then adding some blue face paint onto the lips. Here I'm creating sort of a skeleton type look to the lips again, but later on I do change this once again. And here I'm adding some mascara to my top lashes, and I do top this with false lashes later on. Then here I felt like the middle of the face was just too dark blue, so I added some lighter blue teeth, and I think this really helped with the skeleton type look. Here I felt like it was lacking some yellow. I decided to add some gold face paint splatters as well, but it doesn't show up very well on camera. Then again, I decided to add a little bit more gold and added some gold to the middle of the eye. Then I felt like the stars were kind of getting lost. They just didn't look very much like stars to me, so I decided to add some rhinestones. Even though both inspiration photos did not use any rhinestones, I decided to go ahead and add them anyway. I think it was a good decision, and it added a little extra something to the stars. And this is our completed mystery makeup mashup. I loved both inspiration photos and was really excited to do this look, and I really like how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.